Hey everyone, welcome back to my tutorial. In this tutorial, I will show you how to create cool text hover effect using HTML and CSS. Before proceeding further, please be sure to drop a like on this video, and subscribe to my channel, for more tutorials. So, without any further ado, let's get started. Open your code editor. Then create an HTML file. Use the link tag to include our CSS file. In the body, create a P element with class as text. Inside it, you can enter any text you want. Our HTML part is ready. Let's write the CSS. Create a CSS file. For the body, set background color to 111. For the text class, set position to absolute. Set top and left to 50%. Set transform to translate -50%, -50%. This will center the element on the screen. Set color to transparent. Set WebKit text stroke to 4 pixels, and color to white. Set font size to 15 rem. Set font family to sans serif. Set text shadow to 0 pixel as X and Y offset, and color to a bright red color. Set transition to all 0.4 seconds. On text hover, we will add 3 shadows to the text. For the first shadow, set X and Y offset to 12 pixels. Set its color to same red color used earlier. For the second shadow, set X and Y offset to 17 pixels. Set its color to bright blue color. For the third shadow, set X and Y offset to 22 pixels. Set its blur radius to 50 pixels. Set its color to charcoal gray color. So here, our final effect is ready. It is looking great. So, that's all for today. Hope you have enjoyed the tutorial. Please take a moment to subscribe to my channel for more such tutorials in the future. I will see you next time.